Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA in my house. You guys, it's a brand new day here in Nice, France. And why am I shouting? I don't know, but y'all know that I have a loud mouth and that's okay. We have Santa Claus in his pink sleigh. That's a sleigh?
Yeah. I have a big gift. How I could touch the pedal?
Can you say morning to the fifth Santa?
Morning, and if you are not so good to give you the gift right in my sleigh.
You really dress like Santa, red and white, everything.
Yeah.
Sarah, come here. She love in my room. She run gone on my bed, I bet. Let's see if we can find her. Yeah. It's time to go change pajamas and get ready for the day. Come, say hello to the face. Say hi.
Are you nice?
Hold on, Tyler. Hold on. Sarah talking to the
You
face.
forgot my name. I'm not Tyler. I'm
Santa. Hold on, Santa. Hey, you and Sarah get off my bed. Look how you do my curtain. Fix it.
No, me. I'm nice. Sarah. She's naughty. I'm not going to give her one gift.
You're not gonna give her any gift?
Only one small one.
Only one small one.
I'm going to make it right now.
You're too funny. Anyway, you guys, it's almost Christmas. Today is the beginning of winter. Today is the 21st of December. It's gonna be a busy day for me because I need to go on the road to get some stuff done. Babe head out early this morning. Babe is on vacation, but babe head out to town early this morning because he said he needs to do some last minute shopping for moi. Yes.
In 5 days is Christmas.
Yes, baby. So babe says he needs to do some last minute shopping for me and he doesn't want me around. So he's gone to town to do his Christmas shopping. I already do most of mine. It's just one thing left that I want to get for babe, and if I don't get it today, then that's okay. I have enough things that would just be a little extra something. But I'm going on the road because I need to go and get my ham today, because you guys may or may not know that I'm cooking my Christmas dinner at my mother-in-law's house, and I'm doing a whole Jamaican Christmas dinner. At my mother-in-law, which will be on Christmas Eve. So we are doing that on Christmas Eve, because on Christmas Day then is a whole nother setting at my mother-in-law again with the sisters, with baby sisters. So that's what's gonna be going down. We have 2 days. We're gonna leave here in a few days, head to my mother-in-law. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy few days for the next few days.
Mama.
Hold on, I soon talk to you.
Your mother-in-law is Papa, Mama.
Exactly.
I have the gift.
Okay.
I'm going to open
Anyway,
it.
you guys, so you guys will see babe in a bit, and these two need to get out of my room. Oh. Sarah, come on, let's go. Come on. We have things to do. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and having a good...
Mama.
Hold on, I'm speaking. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and is enjoying the festivity. Yes, Sarah. As you draw closer to Christmas and being the Christmas spirit and spending time with your family if you can, and staying safe as much as possible. So yeah, I'm just here with these two. One dancing, calling mama, one being Santa Claus. Hey, go Sarah, go Sarah, go Sarah, hey, go Sarah. Anyway, I am going to get both of them dressed right now so that when babe gets here I can head out. Yes, Tyler.
Wait, Mama.
Yes, Santa.
I'm going to open the gift for you, and I'm going to tell you what it is, and I'm going to open the repeat.
Alright.
And while I'm opening it, you need to guess what it is.
Alright. I think it's a pizza.
No.
Okay, I don't know. Show me. Hurry. It's a book.
Yes.
He's been walking around with that. That's why I know.
A Star Wars book.
Okay, look at Melissa Roxanne Delaveaus. He's calling out my full name.
I'm going to show you the picture.
Okay. How about you? I need to take a picture of you like this before I tell you to take off your clothes. It's time to go get dressed. Okay? Okay? It's time to go get dressed. It's time to go get dressed.
I know, Mama. I just want to show them the pin.
What you say?
I just want to show them the pin.
Show them the page and let's go. I have things to do, Ty.
Delaveaus.
Okay.
Obi-Wan.
Okay. This is Star Wars book he created.
Darth Maul.
Okay, let's go now. You show Faves another time the rest. Okay? Sarah, say bye-bye to the Faves. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I can see 3PO.
Oh, you guys, I'm trying to catch the mountains to show you the snow in front of us. There we go. Look at that. Oh, it's zooming too much. Look at that snow right in front of me. You guys, baby's back from town. Say hello to the Fave's husband.
Hi guys.
And we parking lot look full. Why? Oh, they make it a open space parking lot. Okay, that looks better. That doesn't look bad. You guys, we're just running to the store to pick up some things that I need, and it's a lot. Hopefully it's the last time for the week we'll be going to the store. You want it?
Yeah,
It's
but
the same
I'm
person.
back. Yeah.
You want to say something?
No, it's a person from work that wants to drop something for the kids. I'll call back here. When I reach, I'll call back.
So they're probably close by. Like I say, you guys, we're going to pick up some you're going in or you staying out?
No,
See
but
one
I
there
need to.
empty?
Why is it empty?
The person just reverse out of it. Make up your mind where you want to go and don't let me confuse
No,
you.
go at the big parking.
That's what I ask you, if you're going in or you're staying out.
No.
Because look, there's parking spaces.
Person took it.
Yeah, but I'm sure there are more.
Maybe.
You won't have to go all the way up there, I'm sure.
Nana, look over there. Finish.
Someone
Instead of an eye,
So we're just running in and out of the store, and yeah, that's what's up. I'm sure there's a lot of people in because school is on vacation, so I'm sure it's gonna be full, but we're gonna try to not stay too long in and just do what we gotta do and get out. You say good morning to the fans?
I just say it. Hi guys, for the workout.
But there we go.
That high.
And it's Sarah nap time, though I'm sure she won't nap, but let's see how it'll go.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. From
Change up, man. He's on this section. Come here, so. Oh, in here, change up a lot. Dang it. Wow. I haven't been here in a while. Wow. I like it. See the ham here? See the ham there? See it here? This is the exact ham I want. See there?
The second one?
See there? Yes. You see when it cut it look good? The one down at the end?
I'm not sure from it.
But I wonder if it's the cured salty one.
I'll let.
Let's go look to see if we see the one I normally pick up each year. Alright you guys, it's in here that have the ham that I want. They always have it around the place where they sell the cheese. But they always have the lot of cheese. Is that place we just passed? This supermarket is huge.
You know what? I have a problem of sleeping.
You tell them later when you go home. Come, let us see your crown.
I will be gonna.
Tyler have on a crown because you want the thing out of this.
And I'm going to show you what they put. It's Avengers, and you need to guess what Avengers.
It's an Avengers. He says it's an Avenger that he got, and you have to guess which Avenger it is.
I'm going to give you a super easy hint that it
They
can
can't
be-
see you.
I'm going to give you a super easy hint that you
And you
can.
want a piece, right?
That it only can be one of them.
Okay.
He's green with a short purple and tear.
Does he have a lot of muscle?
Yes.
Okay.
So the Avenger that he got is green. He have a lot of muscle, and his shirt is purple and is ripped up. Guess who we got? Comment down in the comment section. Let's see who's gonna get it right.
He has black hair.
He have black hair.
He has an angry face.
Ooh, okay. Now we're getting somewhere. You're gonna
He's
tell
the
them?
strongest Avenger.
Ooh. You're gonna tell them who it is or no?
Yes.
Does he start with the H?
Yes.
Yes.
You need to guess how his name
They
spells.
guess already, so no, you can tell them.
Hulk. Hulka, 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 Hulka.
Babe, looking at me acting a fool.
Hulka, Hulka, Hulka.
You guys. Alright,
Hulka,
Your sister sleeping? Holka, holka, holka. We just got back from the supermarket. We just got off the road. This thing is called Delaveaus, right, honey?
Yes.
It's a pastry, it's a type of pastry.
You wrong. You didn't say the R. Galette de Roi.
Delaveaus.
Yes.
He forever under with the R.
For the first time you did the R properly.
Okay, and you're proud of me for doing the R properly. Can I get your bun off your hand? Bye.
It's
So we
me
eat
that decide.
it's a pastry on the outside, and I honestly cannot describe what's on the inside, but it's so good. Here you go, honey. Which one?
Je veux voir s'il y a.
Which movie?
Je vais voir s'il y en
Hold
a
on.
un autre. Je vais voir s'il y en a deux. Ah, c'est moi.
Tyler, you say you're going to play in your room, huh? Okay, you guys, so I got my ham. I got my ham. Badum, 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 badum. But let me tell you something about ham in France. You cannot find it uncooked. Like the piece that is closest to the one at home, you can't find it uncooked. So it's a little bit cooked, and I'll do whatever I need to do. So I will show you guys it right now because it's wrapped up, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge just the way it is. I'm not gonna open it. And I got my cherries. I got my pineapple. No, I didn't got this. I didn't get that. And I got some flour. I got some sugar. I got foil paper and
More five.
no, that's not more foil paper. That's Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag.
Can tell you about the amount of oil that I have in my ends eating. That is very healthy.
Unhealthy, but it's the season for unhealthy
Amount of butter
behavior.
that should be in this.
It's the season for unhealthy behavior, and I've worked out all year just for this moment right here, and nothing gonna stop my Christmas. No, so I'm gonna go enjoy my garlic. Sorry, it's done for now.
Mama, what if there's a second one?
You guys, I'm making dinner for the fam, and dinner today is salmon, green beans, and rice.
Yeah. Mama, Saba is the best baby in the world.
You are also the best baby in the world.
What's the baby? I'm not a baby.
I said you were. Were is past time.
Oh. When I were a baby, I was the best one in the world.
When no, if you're talking about yourself, you say when I was.
Placed your summer key and bright. There's only splendor for the sight. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly.
I'm helping her to stay with these. That's the red one.
My glass is always giving the light reflection.
Take them out.
Take them off, he
It's like
says.
a passport pictures. You can't have them.
Oh, you can't take passport pictures in glasses now?
No,
For
because of the
real?
reflection. Give me a thumbs up.
For what? For blowing on me? You guys, give him a thumbs up for blowing on me. You're crazy.
Right?
In the vlog for me.
It's almost Christmas.
They can't hear you.
It's almost Christmas.
They still can't hear you.
It's almost Christmas.
They still can't hear
It's
you.
almost Christmas.
And that's all you want to say?
That's your favorite time of the year. Today is winter.
You know that this morning when I start the vlog, that's the exact same thing I say. It's almost Christmas and today's winter. I swear.
Really?
Yes.
I know. I was listening to you.
You're too untrue. So wicked.
Today's winter is snowing outside. It's so cold and so pretty.
Lie. Not outside here is snowing, but it's snowing elsewhere in the mountains. Like I show you guys. in the
Santa
clip
Claus
earlier.
is ready. He's gonna slide on the snow.
You been nice or naughty this year? I think you're
I've
getting any
been
gifts?
naughty.
Well,
Very
Santa ain't
naughty.
stopping at your door.
No, he won't. I tell him go other house, so Tyler will be consequences of my acts. You won't have no gift if Santa won't come. Sorry.
Well, I don't mind because honestly, you realize I didn't ask for anything this year.
I know, that's why I
Babe
stayed
didn't ask
this
for
morning. I wanted to
anything
get
this
you
year.
something. I stayed 3 hours. I did so many stuff, couldn't find nothing.
Babe didn't ask for nothing this year, and I didn't ask for nothing this year. So I don't know what he's getting me, and I don't know what he doesn't know what I'm getting him.
It's the first year I had so much idea, but you know this is the time when you have ideas. You know exactly what
No,
you want,
you know
and
what,
when you
babe?
reach there, oh,
Babe, you just wait
should I
last
take this
minute.
color or this color?
You just love
should I
wait
take
last minute.
like this or like this? Should I take? Oh,
Because Babe didn't ask for anything specific from me, I had to get his gifts like in advance, because I know that if I don't do that, I'm gonna be confused at last minute. I didn't know what to get
I
him.
wanted to go get it.
So I make sure I get my
months.
gifts in advance,
Just-
okay?
Didn't take the time to do it. I was busy and didn't take the time. All months I was, well, this is what it is. I got something.
I didn't ask for anything this year, so whatever I get, I'll be happy, I'll be grateful. I
It's a
honestly didn't ask
petty
for
one.
anything. Anyway, you
Yeah.
guys,
Petty one. That's what I said. Petty one. Petty one.
I don't know what you're talking about, so I can't answer you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog.
looking at
We're
me?
gonna end it here. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch fun.
Go farther, because you're too close and you make my face too fat.
My hand can't go any further than this.
Just say something.
It's better now.
Yeah, just make your hand longer. I don't want my face to be too
Your
fatty.
face is perfect, honey.
Another one.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch fun, keep up with the fam bam, and don't miss the rest of the vlogs for this week. See you guys tomorrow. You guys, I work out this morning.
You did?
I work out this morning. I'm gonna show you a little clip of me working out this morning to
she
end today's
didn't.
vlog.
Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree,